SMCI stock analysis and SMCI stock prediction. In this 1 minute video right now, I'm going to break down exact play and everything for the next week very briefly and in a very clever way. And as the only person in the space with 41,000 videos made like this over 5 years, documenting everything, it's taken me 5 years to come to this point. I have seen what's working for me personally and what is not, especially here. So the track record that I have beforehand, like I had like a loss and a win, 2 trades. Here's the proof of the win. Loss, you just -1 hour, very simple. Here's that W. It was like three weeks ago. Since now we're here, I'm still looking to double down on this, which is actually very simple, mate. Like, unless I actually see the confirmation taking place, then there's going to be no way, just no swag that I'm going to look to buy randomly. So I do have previous receipts here, by the way, in the Discord. Not lack of coverage, and if you want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye, Ninja.